You are watching 2+ Nevada. So excited to be back at the Bretzloff Foundation bookstore with Valerie Curtis, the Director of Retail Operations here at the Nevada Museum of Art. So much to say, but basically you are a professional shopper.
I love shopping, people, and I love shopping for you. So we've got some great things to talk about today again.
I am so excited.
Welcome back.
Thank you so much for having me. I love being here. I love you, Valerie. And what I really am excited about here is we are combining art and we are combining gifts, and we're talking about Mother Earth and, of course, Mom, any special person that you have gifts for. So we are incorporating art and fashion.
We are. Our first little thing here, art and fashion. This is the Into the Time Horizon book that goes with our latest exhibition. It's a huge exhibition, takes over the entire museum.
And tell me a little bit about the exhibition too. This goes until what, September?
Talk about Mother Earth.
Yeah.
This runs, some of it runs through September, some runs all the way through next year. We've taken over the museum to talk about sustainability, things that are eco-friendly, and loving the earth so that the earth can love us back.
Love the message. Love the message.
So here we have over 200 artists that are in this exhibition. And one of them is Gloria Pettiari, who is an Australian artist. And this is her beautiful work that is in the exhibition.
This is just gorgeous in the book format. And then we get to see this upstairs.
And you get to wear it home because this is the beautiful limited edition Gloria Pettiari scarves.
That is only here.
It is only here. We made it just for the exhibition, and it's 100% silk, and it is a must-have.
It is absolutely gorgeous in person, everybody. And just to throw out, like, no joke, I came here and purchased my mom a book at this beautiful store for the holidays, and it was legit the winner of the holiday season. So
love to hear it.
This isn't the only place to shop here at the Nevada Museum of Art, but I do want to point out directly behind us is California Avenue. So when I came here today and couldn't find parking in that traditional parking lot of the museum that everybody thinks of, now you can know that you have a beautiful entrance here on the California Avenue side that people can come into the first floor for free and shop.
Always. And we encourage you to come in. We have so many different things, and we love to take our books and match them with all of our beautiful merchandise that are in the other shopping areas to give you a complete gift.
And so we're going to go to other shopping areas to take a look at more ideas.
More shopping.
Yay! So we moved from the back of the museum, California Avenue, to the front main entrance over by Liberty, where you have what I think is just the prettiest setup for your retail.
Oh, it is so gorgeous with the fallen fruit wallpaper in the background, the orchard, and the monument to sharing with all the fruit trees in the front. So we play off of that with everything that we have in here.
And when we're talking about Mother Earth and loving our Mother Earth, you have some phenomenal gift ideas that tie in gorgeous art books and gorgeous usable gifts.
And here's another really gorgeous one. This is the Isabella Kirkland book. She's also into the Time Horizon exhibition. This is kind of an idea of her work. She specializes in just identifying beautiful animals and plants, but we want to give a book with something more, don't we?
Yes,
there's always something
do.
more. Look at this beautiful wildflower bag. And how gorgeous is that together?
It just looks like they were meant to be paired.
They're meant to be.
And you've got some other amazing pairs as well. Speaking of which, this book,
Salad for President.
I'm going to reach back.
Absolutely. Salad for President is a cookbook that's inspired by artists. So there are all sorts of great recipes in here that are inspired by artists. You'll learn some of the artists are in there. One thing all of our books have in common is beautiful photography. There's some gorgeous photography in there. But again, Sarah, do we want to give only a book?
No.
We
want to do more.
A beautiful salad book with a gorgeous sustainable wood bowl. These are just such beautiful wood bowls. And you can even pair it with one of these sets of really eco-friendly, gorgeous, eco-friendly ink dyed 100% cotton napkin sets.
And I also want to throw out there, just because I've seen it all over social media, you also have a phenomenal inventory of wax bags.
Wax bags are a thing now.
Wax bags, they're a
gorgeous.
thing.
So we've got a couple of them right here that are on our displays. You can take these wax bags shopping to the grocery store. They're, again, reusable. We're upcycling. We're reusing things. And it's all about the earth and saving our planet.
I love it. And then I, of course, did some shopping for the kids and found some fun things. So I got to show you these little
They're shrinky dinks.
Shrinky dinks peanuts. So you can do it yourself, shrinky dinks. And then this book, absolutely gorgeous.
Kids need to learn about bees and how important bees are to our environment. This book, again,
history.
Gorgeous book,
Absolutely.
and they'll learn so much.
Well, Valerie, thank you so much for having us here this afternoon. I always love to go shopping with you.
It's so much fun to shop.
You're watching 2+U Nevada.